A rainy welcome to Belfast, Northern Ireland, country 36, and it's misty, it's rainy, it's nice, it's warmer than Scotland. Alright, Northern Ireland, let's see what you got.
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountain side. The summer's gone and all the roses falling. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. But come ye back when summer's in the meadow, or when the valley's hushed and white with snow. 'Tis I'll be here in sunshine or in shadow. Oh, Danny boy, I love you so.
Alright, I'm in Belfast, Northern Ireland, and man, I'm still sick from last week. It's been just awful. I'm just haven't been able to get better fully, but you know, it's not as awful as it was last week, but it's still pretty bad. But not enough to maybe warrant going to get a doctor yet. Some first impressions of Belfast. It's kind of got a small time city feel. Almost like a little university town campus, but I also live super close to a university, so there's probably a little bit of a bias there. There's a bit of a history in the island of Ireland, which ended up splitting the country between Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. Something about me is I try to learn how to say you're beautiful in as many languages as I can. And unfortunately, last week in Scotland, I was unable to find someone up in the Highlands who spoke Scottish Gaelic. And I haven't come across an Irish person yet who speaks Gaelic as well. And apparently, I found out that could be kind of even like a touchy question in itself to ask. Because it turns out that if you speak Irish Gaelic, you're probably part of one religion, and if you don't, you're probably part of the other religion. And there is a historical religious tension that exists inside of Ireland. Okay, great. You guys hate each other and oppress each other for some reason because you don't believe the same thing. I don't know. And you both feel bullied and oppressed. Okay, so as a result, there's this tension kind of in the air. Not necessarily tension, but like one of those things you don't talk about at the dinner table, like, do you speak this language? Politics, religion. What am I up to now? I'm trying to find some traditional Northern Irish food. And my Airbnb host referred me to a place called Houlihan's. Houlihan's. I have a general rule of thumb as I'm traveling. Basically, if I'm reading a menu and I don't know what it is, I'm gonna order it, basically. So today, over here, we have something called the Holohan's hand boxty and a boxty. So this boxty thing has arrived, and just first impressions of it, it looks like kind of like a potato pancake crepe. There's some beef in here, and just right off the bat, it's a little crispy. Here's my very first taste of a boxty. Ooh, that's good. That like potato pancake wrap on the outside is kind of crispy, and the stewed beef that they have on the inside is quite good. Oh man, a lot of flavor. Oh. Boxty. Damn. I'm in Northern Ireland, and I had this really good beer. What is this beer? I had a harp. It was recommended that I have this thing called Dulce. Dulce.
Dulles.
This is Dulles, which is dried, salted seaweed, and
It's from the north coast of Ireland.
oh, this is the north coast of Ireland.
Yes.
Cool. And it smells not good. I mean, it's starting to grow on me, actually.
Ballymena area.
The Ballymena
area.
The Ballymena area. You're helping me out here if you want to.
Hi.
Yo. And, it tastes really salty.
Like,
It is salty.
it tastes like papery olives.
Hickory olives?
Papery olives.
Papery, like olives that taste like paper.
I don't know if I agree with that assessment. Papery olives? I'm not.
Black olives are very salty.
Well, yeah.
I haven't been cooking those, so if it's cooked rather than eaten raw. Green
But what
olives
is
for
that?
raw, black
It just does not smell good. But it doesn't taste half bad. It's almost like durian. Have you ever had durian?
No, what's durian?
It smells horrible. It's an Asian fruit. And I ate it, and I almost wanted to vomit. I would say, if you can imagine rotten cinnamon, that's what it tastes like.
I don't like cinnamon anyway.
It's kind of nutty.
It smells nice.
Yeah. Holy shit, it is early. Well, I mean, it's not that early. It's like 7 a.m. But I went out drinking for the first time yesterday in a long time, and I didn't think I'd wake up, but as normal, when I drink a bit, I don't sleep well, and I woke up just in time. So, what am I doing today? I'm going to Londonderry. Yesterday when I was talking with some folks as I was drinking, they were like, well, if you're going to Londonderry, you should definitely go to this other place. So I'm going to the other place first, and then Londonderry. And I'm sleepy. Maybe I can sleep on the train. It's dark out. I can't really film anything meaningful except for myself and people looking at me around my shoulder. Alright, so I'm in a city called Coleraine? I don't know. But a lot of folks recommended that I have to go see the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. It is raining. It's going to be an unpleasant day, I know. This place is called the Giant's Causeway, and apparently even like Led Zeppelin had one of their album covers have a picture of me here. So it's gonna be a bit of a hike. Then after this, it's off to Londonderry. But you know, I've had my morning coffee, had my morning breakfast, clocked up. So let's do it. Oh god, it's cold. Yeah, my drone will handle it. Oh, jeez. Ah. Alright guys, I'm in London. Wait for it, Derry. The Londonderry. I've been wanting to come here and make that stupid joke for months. And I'm here in Londonderry in Northern Ireland. It is beautiful. The city is like cut in two by a river. And yeah, it's nice here. It's really pretty. I'm excited to go exploring. It's at the very northern point of Northern Ireland. And interestingly enough, the Republic of Ireland actually stretches further north than the north of Ireland. So I'm just really curious like how folks are here, and hopefully I can chat with some people and just get a general vibe what Londonderry is all about. So let's go exploring. Alright, so my friends over in Belfast told me that when I get to Londonderry, basically just find the wall and follow the wall. Just walk along the wall. So I think this is the wall. And I mean, I asked the taxi driver too. I'm like, yeah, just take me to the wall. And here we go. So I did a walk around the Londonderry walls, and it's quite interesting actually. So what the walls are, they're basically just kind of like a 1.5-2 mile wall radius around the city center. And as you walk around it, you get kind of a feel for the whole neighborhood, like different parts of the city, because it's a whole 360-degree circle around the city center. And you get some amazing views. And as you're walking around, there's history cards that kind of describe what you're looking at, what you're seeing at any given moment. And thus concludes my trip through Northern Ireland. So, final impressions of Northern Ireland. One, in my opinion, unforgettable thing that I did here was I took the train from Belfast to Londonderry in Northern Ireland, and the views are spectacular. They are breathtaking. I was just looking out the window, and I had this incredible feeling of joy that just kind of came up through me. And so I think everyone, if you ever get the chance, should take the train trip from Belfast up to Londonderry and back. It hugs the coast. There's rolling green hills. It's just stunning. There's mountains and shit. It's crazy. It's really incredible. This also wraps up my time in the United Kingdom for a while. I haven't hit Wales yet. Wales will be my final country in the United Kingdom, but the cheapest ticket from Northern Ireland is down to the Republic of Ireland, and the Republic of Ireland is not a part of the United Kingdom. They're part of Europe, and so I'm exiting the United Kingdom and I'm going into Europe today by train. So yeah, thank you so much, Northern Ireland. You folks were lovely. The land was beautiful. It was cold, but I'd come back just to take that train ride again. Thank you so much.
Oh, tell me, Ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull my hair, they stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the Belle of Belfast City. She is courting the 1, 2, 3. Please, won't you tell me who is she?
Albert Mooney says he loves her, all the boys are after her. Rapping at the door, ringing a bell. Oh, my true love, are you well? Out she comes as white as snow, rings on the fingers, bells on her toes. Wee Jenny Murray said she'll die. She didn't get the fella back to Roving High.
Oh, tell me, Ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair and they stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the Belle of Belfast City. She is courting the 1, 2, 3. Please, won't you tell me who is she?
A skip skipping, she's the best of all. She never slips, she never falls. Double dutch her heel and toe. She's the one that steals the show. When they all come out to play, she's the one that leads the way. And Albert Mooney's always there to see the girl with the golden hair.
Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair, they stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is a court in the 1, 2, 3. Please, won't you tell me who is she? Let the wind and the rain and the hail blow high and the snow come tumbling from the sky. She's as nice as apple pie, and she'll get her own lad by and by. When she gets a lad of her own, she won't tell her ma when she comes home. Let them all come as they will, for us Albert Mooney she loves still. Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair, they stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is court in the 1, 2, 3. Please, won't you tell me who is she? Tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pulled my hair, they stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is the belle of Belfast City. She is court in the 1, 2, 3. Please, won't you tell me